learn about prepositions. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a preposition. Learn prepositions that indicate location and direction of a particular object. Identify the prepositions of time in the given sentences. Where is the dog? The dog is on the box. Where is the dog now? Now the dog is in the box. Okay, where is the dog now? Now the dog is behind the box. Where is the dog now? Now the dog is under the box. A preposition tells us where a person, thing, or place is located. In the following sentences, in, on, behind, and under are telling us about the place of the dog where he is sitting. Some common prepositions are between, near, and by. Where is the apple? It's by the orange. Now let's learn about preposition of time. The prepositions that tell us about the time are called prepositions of time. For example, I shall visit Taj Mahal on Sunday. Here on is used as preposition of time. Let's meet at 4 o'clock. Here at is used as the preposition of time. Our school reopens on April 16. On is used as preposition of time. The sun rises in the morning. Here in is used as preposition of time. Let's practice the following exercise.